Okay guys, so number 20, okay, is x squared plus number 20. What's this? There we are. Number 20 is x squared plus 6x equals 0. Okay, when you get this, guys, what you take out, Nick? What you take out? Nick, sorry.
X squared.
You can't take out x squared. X into what?
X.
Yeah.
3 equals 6.
Equals 0. You gotta do a check, Nick. X by x.
X squared.
X by 6.
6x.
6x. Okay, that's no bother. Now, guys, what now?
No bother.
Once you've done that, what's the rest of the answer? X equals
Equals 0.
or
X equals 6x.
x plus 6 equals 0. Bring over the 6. You get
X equals
minus 6. Okay. Now, let's do. Oh, sorry. Another one. Okay. So we've done number 20. Now we're on 23. Okay. Now number 23. Can anybody describe, David? What is the? How do you do this one here?
X bracket x.
X squared minus 5 squared. Okay? And what is x squared minus 5 squared? You would have done it today.
You do x close bracket and x minus 25.
Nearly.
No, x outside it.
No, you don't.
X minus 5. No, x bracket.
X plus 5, x minus 5 equals 0. Now, David, what you're describing is this one here. Lads, the two of these, if I was to draw a competing question, okay, so an example would be a question that looks very similar to the one I just gave you. Here's what I'd do with it. I'd make it look like this. Can anybody see the difference between the two of them?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, apart from the minus, I'll get rid of that minus now. It's meant to be a minus. So guys, can anybody see a difference between those two now?
X.
The x. Now lads, this is very important. The presence of the x means that I can do this instead. I can do x bracket x minus 25 equals 0. So you can see that both questions have two very unique answers. When it has an x, you take out the x in common. When it doesn't have an x, you got to do the difference of two squares. So what's the answer to this one?
X
Equals 0 or? And then what happens?
X minus 5.
And x plus 5. And what about this one here?
X equals 0.
Or? X minus 25 equals 0.
X equals 25.
X equals 25. Okay, so look, two competing questions, very similar. Okay, so now we're going to do number 29. So 20, 23, and 29 is what we're doing here. Now, Dennis, I'm going to get you to help me out with this one. Okay, so this is a reference number question, and it's a long one. So what's your reference number starting off?
Minus 5. Oh, minus 15.
Minus 15, okay. Pick two numbers.
Then see what goes into minus 15.
3 and? 3 multiplied by what gives you 15?
Minus 5.
Now, you can't decide if it's minus 5 yet, because you have to add them together. So one of them is minus, you're correct, but which one? So you want a plus 2 in the middle.
Yeah.
So
5 times minus 3.
5 multiplied by minus 3 gives you minus 15.
And then bracket open, x.
Split it open.
Yeah.
Because it's the longer version. See, anytime it hasn't got a 1 in front of it, see these ones have a 1?
Yeah.
That means they're the short way of doing it. When it doesn't have a 1, you gotta do it the long way.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And the long way is 3x squared, break up 2x into minus 3x plus
5.
x. Okay?
Minus 3x plus 5x. Plus 0.
Now what can you take out of the two of them? Which is? What's common?
Yes.
3x bracket.
Oh, x minus 3. X minus 1.
X minus 1 because 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x by minus 1 minus 3x.
Okay.
Okay, then the second bracket always has to be the same.
Yeah.
And what number goes in here to multiply x to give you plus 5x?
5.
5. Plus 5.
Plus 5.
And then the last part, What's here? And here?
3x plus 5.
Yeah.
And x minus 1.
X minus 1 equals 0. Now we're at the very end of this. What's the very end? So, sorry? So, you got it, yeah? 3x plus 5, yeah?
3x plus 5 equals
0.
Equals 0. And then
Bring the 5 over the other side.
minus 5.
Minus 5 divided by 3.
5.
Minus 5 over 3.
Yeah.
Okay? And then the other one is x minus 1 equals 0. And then x equals
Minus 1.
plus 1 because it changed sides. Okay, so it goes to plus 1 when you change sides. Okay guys, for homework tonight, I'm not actually going to go too much further. I actually just want you to go after these ones here.
Yeah, I know.
Okay? Don't want to go any further than that. Yeah, 1 second.